If you want to fine-tune colors in Lightroom Mobile without guessing which slider to move, the Target Adjustment tool is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Target Adjustment Color tool in Lightroom Mobile step by step, so you can adjust the exact color range directly from your photo. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to edit. This can be any image where you want to improve the colors, whether it's a portrait, a landscape, or a product photo. Once your image is open, go down to the Color section and look for Color Mix, also called HSL in some versions of Lightroom. Tap on Color, then tap Mix to open the individual color channels. Now you'll see different color options like red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. This is where Lightroom lets you control each color separately. But instead of manually guessing which color channel your photo needs, you can use the Target tool. Tap the Target icon to enable it. Once it's active, you can adjust colors directly from the image itself. Here's how it works. Tap and drag on the exact color in your photo that you want to change. Lightroom will automatically detect the closest matching color range and connect it to the right HSL channel. This is really useful because if you want to edit skin tones, skies, grass, clothing, or any specific color, you don't have to keep testing different sliders one by one. As you drag left or right on the image, Lightroom changes the selected color values automatically. Depending on which tab you're working in, you'll notice different results. If you're on saturation, dragging will make that color more intense or less intense. If you switch to hue, dragging will shift the color toward a different tone. And if you go to luminance, you can make that color brighter or darker without affecting the rest of the photo too much. That's what makes this tool so powerful. You can switch between HSL tabs and use the same Target tool to control the exact look you want. For example, if the greens in a landscape are too strong, tap the green area and drag to reduce saturation. If the sky looks too dull, tap the blue area and adjust the hue or luminance until it looks more natural. If skin tones need a softer look, tap directly on the skin and fine-tune the color channel Lightroom selects. The biggest advantage here is accuracy. You do not need to guess the right color range. You simply tap on the image, drag on the color you want, and Lightroom figures out the correct channel automatically. That makes editing much faster, especially when you're trying to get a clean and consistent color grade. Once you're happy with the changes, just compare your before and after to see the difference. A few small adjustments can completely change the mood of your photo while still keeping it natural. So if you've been struggling with Lightroom color edits, this tool is definitely worth learning. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips, and comment below if you want more quick editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.